Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So let's move on to the next question of sequence and series. What is the first 14th question given to us? Let fx is equal to x square plus x power 4 plus x power 6 plus x power 8 goes on up to infinity for all real x such that the sum converges. Number of real x which satisfies the equation fx minus x is equal to 0 holds is they are asking. So guys, fx is what? A infinite geometric progression. X square plus x power 4 plus x power 6 plus x power 8 goes on up to infinity. So the first term of that infinite geometric progression is x square we are knowing, and the common ratio of that infinite geometric progression is equal to x square we are knowing. So fx will be becoming what? Basically x square upon 1 minus x square, because we know the value of sum of infinite GP is a upon 1 minus r. Now what is the most important thing? For it to have a convergent sum, okay, or for it to have a finite sum, that means converges, its value means the value of r should lie in between minus 1 and plus 1. That means minus 1 is less than x square is less than 1. But my dear students, we can see very easily x is a real number, so square of a real number can never be negatives. That means 0 is less than or equal to x square, less than 1 should be holding over here, should hold over here. Now I'll be going to check fx minus x is equal to 0 will be satisfied for how many values of x in this interval. Okay, close 0 to open 1. So we'll be writing x square upon 1 minus x square minus x is equal to 0. That means what? X can be taken common by me. X upon 1 minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So that will be becoming what? X into x minus 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Now denominator should not be 0. That means x should not be equal to plus or minus 1, and that is really true. It is not equal to that, okay, because it is not the part of interval which we were taking. Now what do we have? X square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0. So yeah, x can be 0, okay. So this is one of our solution. The other thing is x square is equal to 1 minus x, we can see. Now guys, let us suppose this is the curve y is equal to x square, this is the curve 1 minus x, y is equal to 1 minus x. So let's plot their graph and check the number of point of intersection for positive x values. So y is equal to x square will be drawn by us like this. For positive only I am drawing, so like this will be drawn. And 1 minus x means y is equal to mx plus c. M is minus 1 dot x plus c is 1. So this is our intercept 1, and slope minus 1 means 135 degrees. So somewhere over here it will be intersecting. Now we would have to see whether this value of x square should be in between 0 and 1. Okay, that means x square minus 1 should be less than 0. That means x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 should be less than 0. That means x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. So if we have any value in between minus 1 and plus 1, that all things will hold good. Okay, so we have drawn the curve of x square, we have drawn. So let's take the negative portion also. It will be drawn by me like this, and this line will be intersecting this portion of parabola at this point somewhere over here. Now guys, we would have to look for whether these values are lying in between minus 1 and plus 1 or not. If it would not be lying in between minus 1 and plus 1, we would not be considering them, because I want the value of x lying in between minus 1 and plus 1 after I solved this inequality, because our value was x square. So we got two values. I may even get these two values by making use of quadratic formula. What do we have? X square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. That means what? 1 minus 4, that is 1 plus 4 divided by 2. That means what? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. So the approximate value of root 5 is 2.23, we know. So divided by 2, that is 2.23 minus 1 by 2, or it will be minus 2.23 minus 1 by 2. So we will have 1.23 divided by 2, or we will have minus 3.23 divided by 2. So we will have 0.6 approximately, and that is less than 1. Okay, so that will hold good. And here we will have minus 1.6, so that will not be good. Okay, because we want it to be less than minus 1 and less than 1, greater than minus 1 and less than 1, so it will not be holding good, it will be holding good. So x is equal to 0 will be holding good, and x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 will be holding good. Okay, so we would have to write how many values of x will be satisfying this condition. 2 solutions are there. Option C should be marked by us. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.